everybody. Today I'm going to make a blue paper dragon. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got my blue piece of paper. We're going to get this top flap and fold it down to the very bottom. And make sure it's like there neatly. So lined. And since my side is just blue both sides, so there's going to be a white side, so just pretend if it's the white side. Then we're going to fold it down, okay? Then we're going to fold it down like this, okay? Okay, we got a line. Now crease it from the middle. Open it up. Now we're going to flip it over like this is the color side, okay? Then we're going to get this flap and fold it down here like a triangle. Like that. Wait. Okay, there you go. I'll fold it like this. Now both sides should be even. Now we'll open it up and do the same over here. Like that. Alright. Then we're just gonna like flip it. Then this point we're going to just want to push it up this side, okay? Then these two lines we're gonna pick it up, then try to fold it, then in like that. All right. There. Now we're gonna get this side. All right. And fold it like that. Oh yes, and this side, the side opening up should face the bottom. That part's folded, then we'll do the same like this. Okay. Now we're going to get this triangle piece and fold it down. Now we're going to open all that up, get that bottom piece, and try to fold it like that. And make sure it's touching the top. That. Then the same here. Now we're going to flip this over and do the same on the other side. Like that. Down. Now this part might be tricky because these two are opening. Okay, so we're going to open it and fold it down once more. And just try to make it perfect. It doesn't have to be, just try to make sure it's lined up. There. Okay, now we're going to open these two sides. Okay, so both of them should have triangles inside. Now, okay, we're going to open this, and that's going to be like that, okay? We're going to, okay, we're going to fold that down. Then we're going to get this flap, and it should be like touching this fold. Now this is just a guide fold. Now do the same over here. Okay. Now we'll get this, open it up and push it to the top. Now we're going to get this side. Alright, then open it and just like push it down. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. Up and push it down. Now these are the dragon's wings. Now we're going to flip it over and try to fold this. So this might not wanting to be folded, but just fiddle around with it till you get it. So we're going to fold it like that. Alright. Now this side, the tip should be going to the middle. Alright. And then as the wings going up, you just want to make a little crease like over there. Alright. Then we're just going to do the same on the other side. Now this is going to want to fold like that. And it doesn't matter if the folds are not equal. All that matters is it needs to be flat. Okay? Now we've got all of that. We're going to fold it that all in half. Like that. Make sure it's lined. The wings don't have to be lined, or else everything else should be. Okay? Then the thicker part is its head and the thinner part is its tail. Now we should be able to lift half of its wing up and we're going to fold it back. Alright? So basically like that. There. So I'm going to fold it back. Now the same over here. Fold it back. Now, there, okay. Doesn't it look kind of like a raptor? We're gonna fold this. Okay, so this is just a guide fold. Now, we're gonna fold it against all that thick stuff inside. Like all of that, we're gonna fold it from there, okay? So basically like that. Now this is just a guide fold. Now we're gonna open this up and just try to fold it backwards, alright? So like that, up at the bottom one, like that. Alright? Then we're gonna fold this till there, like that, against this like fold over here, going across. We're gonna fold it, then we're gonna open it again, this part, alright, and we're gonna fold it forward, like that. Now, nose a bit pointy, huh? So, we're going to get its nose and fold it backwards. This should be perfect. Okay, now, we can get its tail and we can bend it how we want. So like, you can guide the tail to fold. And we're going to do twist. We're going to do twists and turns like this. Okay. Now, you can do as many as you want. I'm just going to do 3. Okay. Bendy. Now, we can open this up. Alright. Now, just make sure the head is still. Looking kind of like a dragon, eh? Now, but we're almost done. We're just gonna open these wings up. Like that, alright? We're gonna open that up now. These are the arms right here. If it doesn't want to fold, just tiny crease. Here, okay? Now same over here. There, we've got our just tiny crease. Here, okay? Now same over here. There, we've got our arms. Here we go. Now, we folded that and our dragon is done. You can add eyes and whatever you want. Okay? Whatever you want. And you hold it from the tail. Like that. Alright?